What's up, guys? It's Mr. Fit to Flourish out in Aruba right now, but wanted to talk about the only two types of plays that I take trading day trading now because they yield me consistent results. So the only two types of plays that I take momentum plays and then I take a 9 MA crossing below the 20 MA, okay? And I only tell a few people this, but you get it today for being loyal subscribers. So here we go. So the first play I take is momentum plays. How do you take a momentum play? Well, you got to know some fundamentals, you got to know some news, you got to know some insider information, what's coming out and what's happening in the market. So the play that I took today, July 17th, 2024, was I took coin calls immediately at the open. I don't trade before 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I do not do that. But if it's a momentum play, I am taking that play all day long because it's easy money. How? What happened was we had coin on this up rip, this rip to the upside. Why? We had that happening because we're looking for Bitcoin. We're following Bitcoin, okay? Coin, Mara, and MSTR follow Bitcoin to the freaking T. Easiest thing to trade in the world. Bitcoin, if Bitcoin is moving up, Mara, Coin, and MSTR, those stocks are moving up, okay? Bitcoin was moving up the past couple days, and Coin ripped to the upside. And then today, the market was down. The market was absolutely down, okay? Coin was a little bit oversold because Bitcoin was still moving above 65,000, which is a key level on Bitcoin, BTC. So Bitcoin was moving above 65K, but Coin sold off a little bit. What happened at the open? We held that open, okay, which is at a previous consolidation level here. We held that. Whenever I see consolidation, I'm thinking, okay, good support or good resistance. Here, in this case, this is good support. So good support here. We held that level, pushed to the upside with a very strong bull bar. Now, all we had to do was get above this yellow line, which is our sell zone ATR for this daily time period. And we were holding on to the 50 MA, getting above that. And we had some buying pressure, okay? We held, and I got in right over here around 247.90. I got in on 260 calls, okay? 260 calls. And that ended up going 81%. Well, I got out at 81%, but it ended up going over 120%. So it ripped to the upside after that momentum. And why did we get the momentum? Because yesterday, BTC was trading around 62 to 63K. Today, Bitcoin was trading around 65K and holding and moving upward, while Coin kind of sold off early in the morning, really for no reason except profit taking. So that retracement there, and that hold of that key level at 245, which is a psychological level, that showed me that we should have momentum to the upside, especially with Bitcoin moving up. So that was a momentum play. That was an easy money play. Another play that I took with momentum the other day was DJT. So everybody knows what happened with Donald Trump over the weekend. Okay, we know what happened. Okay, it was very unfortunate. Violence should never be the answer. Okay, violence should never be the answer. However, look at this. So DJT gapped up after those events this weekend on Monday from $30 to $45. $46, with literally no change in the company, no fundamental change, no earnings, no nothing, except this event that happened, okay? And should Trump media be valued that much just over an assassination attempt? No. So at that level, we started to sell off immediately. So I called out in my Discord group, I called out, hey, Donald Trump, DJT, $40 puts. Why $40? We were at a $45 level, okay? The next psychological level would be $40. That's the level where we would probably encounter resistance. This is a momentum play. So we're gapped up to the upside for no reason. We have a massive fair value gap. We're going to be doing a mean retracement down to the 9 or 20 MA, which we did. We retraced down to the 9 and 20 MA. Those calls went over 70%, okay? So again, if I'm going to take those puts went over 70%. So if I'm going to take a play, it's going to be a momentum play, and it's going to be an easy money play, okay? It's going to be off of crazy news that's really easy, or it's going to be based on something that's happening, and I know exactly where it's going to go. The other type of play that I take is going to be like this. This is the only other play I take. I look at the 5-minute time frame when I'm day trading, I take swing trades that are momentum plays and based on technical analysis as well, using breakouts. But in this case, the only other play I take is a 5-minute time frame. I get this pink line crossing below the 20 MA, which is the yellow line. The 9 MA is this pink line crossing below the 20 MA, which is the yellow line. We get a nice bear bar to the downside. This is a good signal confirmation bar. Enter 1 tick below. You might get a retest. Who cares? Momentum based on this 9 MA is showing you that recent price is less than the longer term average price. Most recent price is moving lower than the longer term average price. So you therefore get a drastic move to the downside every single time. So that 9 MA, 20 MA crossover, 9 MA crossing below the 20 is a very, very easy money play to take. Those are the only 2 types of trades that I currently take, and it's making a freaking killing. Hope you can make a killing off of these plays as well. That's all I had for you guys today. It literally looks like that. It works really well on Amazon, AMD, and it works somewhat on SPY. I got juked on SPY yesterday, but it's like a 90%, pretty high win rate on that play, especially if you take it on good confirmation signals. So that's all I have for you guys today. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good one. Good morning, welcome to the Fit to Flourish podcast. Let's talk wellness, finance, and growth.